Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this series of videos, we are going to talk about the exceptions which are available in Java. We will cover predefined exceptions, and even if we want to create any our own exceptions, how we can able to do that. So for that, we are going to take multiple examples in this sequence of videos, and I will demonstrate. The first exception in Java is nothing but a runtime error, arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. We are going to talk about arithmetic exception when this arithmetic exception is going to be raised. Very simple. Generally, if we divide any number with zero, we will get this runtime exception. We will get this runtime exception. For example, if we are taking 5 by 2, what output we are expecting for this? Maybe 2. But if you take 5 by 0, so we are going to get runtime exception. The name of the runtime exception is nothing but arithmetic exception we will get. Sir, how we are going to consider it as a runtime exception? Because compiler will check always the data is in the form of A by B, and A and B are integers. That's all. The compiler job is to verify only these two things. But a compiler don't know whether you are giving the value of B as a 0 or not. That will be decided in the runtime only, right? So in such cases, we don't have any option. Then this arithmetic exception is going to be raised. I will demonstrate one small program which explains arithmetic exception when it is going to be raised. Let us take one simple Java program, test. Class name I am taking it as a test, and I will save this file in local disk C test folder. The name of the file which I am giving is a test.java. Now my requirement is I am trying to take 5 by 2. Is there any error in the program? No. Even there is no compile time error and there is no runtime error. Let us execute this program. Java C test.java. I am trying to compile the code. And Java space test. There is no error. That's why we got output. Suddenly, if I change the value of 2 with 0, then what will happen? Is there any compilation issue? No. Successfully, the program is going to compile. But when you are running the program, you can see there is some exception. There is some exception in the thread main. What is that exception? Java.lang.arithmetic exception. So this exception is defined in which package? Java.lang package contains this exception. So this is nothing but what about arithmetic exception, and when we are going to get this arithmetic exception. Hope it is very clear for it. Thank you.